Good morning, everyone. I'm Professor Harvinder from Commerce Department. Today, I'm going to present a very important topic that is the Factories Act 1948. It's from the business law and it is very important for 15 marks. Let's discuss. First of all, a historical background. It was in 1881 that the first Factory Act was came into existence. It was basically for the working condition that prevail in the factory and for the workers and for their welfare, safety, health, and the main focus of the provisions to provide safeguard regarding the dangerous processes that they do in the factory. This act was amended several times in 1891, 1911, 1922, and so on. But it was in 1948 that it was extensively amended. Basically, the main focus, because it was amended several times, the main focus in the Act 1948 was on health, safety, welfare of the workers inside the factory, working hours, employment possibilities for women, and so on. It was more broader as compared to previous act. So this act was made. This act was based on the provisions which were provided in the Factories Act of Great Britain in 1937. There are few people who confuses factory and industry as one of the same thing, but that not the case. These both are different. Industry is steady and systematic activity. However, factory refers to a place where such activities are carried on. So this act is implemented whole of the India, including Jammu and Kashmir also. So it was in 1984 the major tragedy happens, that was Bhopal gas tragedy, which emphasizes the government to take some remedial actions and amendment in the act. So this act was implemented and amended in the 1984. So it is applied to all the factories who are employing 10 or more workers, or when it uses power, or 20 or more workers when power is not used. So the main focus and the main provision related is to safety, guarding of machines, health, cleanliness, drinking water, and so on. We will discuss these in the another video. So let's discuss first of all some of the few definitions so that we can get insight of it. First of all, what is factory? Well, according to the Factories Act 1948, under Section 2, subsection M, factory means any premises where 10 or more workers are working, okay, or we are working on in any day of the preceding 12 months, or where on 20 or more workers are working in the preceding 12 months. So these are the major definitions of factory. They've defined in the section 2 subsection I that worker means any person who is employed with or without the knowledge of the employer, who is getting remuneration or no, maybe maybe including in the cleaning process of any machinery, or working in a premises under the manufacturing process, or he may be known to a principal employer or not. So but it does not include any member of the armed forces of the union. So this is the definition of the worker under section 2. They have given the meaning of occupier as well as in section 2 subsection N. Occupier of the factory means the person who has ultimate control, who is called the owner of the person, who has a major authority to make or decision. So in case of a firm or association of person, any one of the individual partners can be act as a, or can be act as a occupier. In case of a person, or sorry, in case of a company, any one of the director shall be deemed to be an occupier. In case of a factory who is owned, controlled by a central government or a state government, any local authority, the person or person appointed to be manage the affairs of the factory can be an occupier. So these are the few terms which we will going to use while we will talk about health, safety, and welfare in the next videos. So I hope you like it, and we will discuss tomorrow. Thank you very much.